I choose image number 1. I will answer 5 questions. Question 1. The girl is studying a writing. She is very focused on her book. Question 2. She is in a library. I can see many books behind her. Question 3. She is using the laptop for her homework. The laptop is open on the table. Question 4. I think she is studying English because it is very important for the future. Question 5. I prefer studying alone because it is quiet. I can concentrate better. Thank you.